So one of the ways that we can, in the beginning, where we don't have a whole lot of detailed information on what we're trying to do and what we're aiming for, and we don't have all this contextual information that we will develop over time, two questions we can answer starting today that will make your life easier is, which is more important to me, control or freedom? Do I want to have control over every outcome and every process and every procedure? Do I want to be the one who makes every critical decision, or do I want to be able to take a 4-day weekend when I want? Do I want to be able to take that 2-week vacation every year? Do I want to put my emphasis in making decisions and controlling outcomes, or do I want to put my emphasis into creating a structure where people can make good decisions without me? You cannot aim for both of those, in my opinion. You have to choose a path, one or the other. And the second thing that would give the second difficult question, which difficult for some, not everyone, to answer, which gives real clarity, is what's more important to me, time or money? Again, you can build a company where you will have a great support system because time is your priority. You want to have 3 or 4 or 5 people on your leadership team so they can make decisions so you can be free to go do other things, or you can save all that money and all those salaries and you can have control over all those things yourself, but have a limited ability to get away. So being really clear for yourself on just in life, in business, what's more important to me, time or money, and do I care more about freedom or control? If you can answer those two questions, you're off to a good start. And developing the ability to trust your decision making, because you'll have at least some idea of what you're aiming for.